Using the placement application mode, we can actually take an existing part of circuitry that we've already placed and routed and create a module from this. We effectively select all the components and actually start the process. We can then go and add additional etch, which can really improve the size of the group. We'll pick an origin point using the really useful function of right mouse snap pick to, and then give it a name. This then stores this externally to the PCB. We then need to apply that placed group, so we can select all the unplaced components on the design, effectively hover over one of them and actually use the place replicate apply and pick our module. Now the choices we get, because we effectively have swappable components, that's the next circuit we're going to place, and of those we have 2 decoupling capacitors that we could either pick from a list or just use the default option by saying hide form. The next module then becomes attached to our mouse, and we can go and place this in the location required. We have right mouse button functionality to be able to mirror this to the back side of the PCB, or even rotate to a different angle so we can place this exactly where we need to on our PCB. If we take this to the next level, we might have something like a processor block where we can effectively reuse this whole design. So we're effectively taking this from an existing design, we're going to apply our processor block. This time we actually get a list of an unmatched component, so we can actually find out why it's unmatched. It's a different resistor value. We then say OK. The place module then becomes attached to our mouse, so we can then go and find a useful location like an origin point, like a tooling hole, and go and place our processor block down quickly and efficiently. The tracking is fully editable afterwards, so if we need to make a change we can. And then we can also use the 3D functionality of PCB Editor to zoom in and actually go and see the real 3D functions of a PCB.